If you're a lover of wine, get in here please. I promise you're gonna love this. Hello and welcome to Benedict's table. We're making plantain wine today and just simple and not so complicated ingredients we're gonna be using. We're using plantain for this, and we've just been needing 2 plantains. We'll peel it up, cut up the plantain, and then we wash it. Plantain wine is something that tastes similar to a normal palm wine. So if you really don't have access to the palm wine, local palm wine, you can substitute that with this. Actually, the taste is almost similar. Almost, I said almost. Yes. So here we go. We're done cutting up our plantain, and we're going to be putting it in a bowl right now. After this, we'll pour in some water and then we'll rinse or wash it. Yeah, we need to take off some dirt off this plantain. Okay, at this point, we're going in with our water. Remember, clean water please, because all this goes into your body, so you don't just use any type of water. Clean water. We've given it a rinse, and we'll also pour in our water again. This water we're pouring in this time, this is what we're going to be using to ferment this. So when you pour this, you cover it with cling film and you put it in a dark corner, a dark hot corner, and allow it to ferment. It's going to be there for like 3 days. Yes, so it's been 3 days, and this is what it looks like. It has fermented. You can see those foamy substances on top of it. We're going to be sieving this right here. I'm sorry I used this hairnet in here because I didn't have access to the cheesecloth, but I promise you this hairnet was properly sanitized. So yes, it's clean and okay for me to use. Alright, so I'm sieving and pressing out everything, every juice in this. I'm not going to let anything escape me because, damn, this palm wine, I'm going to drown everything. Okay, this is it. And it looks exactly like a palm wine. Of course, that is the color of a palm wine. And it tastes like it. So, if you've watched to this point, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, please. And try out this recipe and let me know how it came out. And also, I would love to know where you are watching this from, so that I'm going to give you a thumbs up or a shout out. Sorry. So till our next video, stay safe and be good. Bye.